In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a diode in the Falstad circuit simulator. If you're new to this tool, don't worry, this will be quick, clear, and easy to follow. We'll start by opening the simulator, then I'll show you two ways to place a diode on the canvas, using the right-click menu and using a handy keyboard shortcut. First, open your web browser and head to the Falstad circuit simulator website. The page will load a black canvas area where all the circuit building happens. This is your workspace. If you don't see anything interactive right away, give the page a second to load. You don't need to install anything, everything runs in your browser. Once the canvas is ready, move your cursor over the black area and right-click. A contextual menu will pop up. From here, navigate through the options by hovering over components, then move to active components and select Add Diode. As soon as you click that, the diode tool will be activated. Position your cursor where you want the diode to go and click on the canvas to place it. That's it. If you're on a trackpad or a device without a dedicated right click, try a two-finger click or hold the control key while clicking to bring up the same menu. There's also a faster method if you prefer using the keyboard. With the canvas in focus, press the D key. This brings up the diode symbol immediately. If nothing happens, make sure you've clicked once on the canvas so the simulator knows you're interacting with it, then press D again. Move your cursor to the exact spot where you want the diode and click to place it. A quick tip as you place the component. A diode allows current to flow in one direction, so orientation matters. The bar on the diode symbol represents the cathode side. While we're not changing orientation in this walkthrough, keep that visual cue in mind as you plan your circuit. If your diode didn't land exactly where you expected, it's often because the canvas snaps to a grid to help keep things tidy. Just repeat the placement step and click on the grid point you want. And remember, both methods, the right-click menu and the D key shortcut, do the same thing, so use whichever feels more comfortable. That's all you need to add a diode in the Falstad circuit simulator. Open the site, use the menu or press D, and click to place it on the canvas. You're ready to start building and experimenting.